Okay, let's take a quickly look at the CAD and the CAM process of FGcam. Okay, if we want to cut in the slots, V slots, okay, we can draw the diagram. We use the dynamic input. Okay. Now, first we draw the whole material. Okay. Its diameter is 80 and the length is 150. Okay. 80 to 80, 150. Okay, input. And we can get the cylinder. Okay. The V starts can draw by feature input. Okay. The angle, left angle, is half the right angle. So 45 degree, and the dip is 12. The depth is 12. Okay, and the distance from the center to the face, we can 31 plus 40. 31 is this. 40 is half of 28. Okay, 45. The number is 3 and the pitch is 30. Pitch is 30. Okay, and we can use this the top length 28. Okay, input, and we obtained the diagram. So if you want to cut the 3 slots, we just recognize and the manufacturer, and the first, second, we can do single block. Yes. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, and then next, the finish. Okay, the finish. So easy. And then we can get the NC program. Input. Save. The NC program is output quickly. Okay, this is the CAD and the CAM process of FGcam.